Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. What's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done. I'ma drink at this page. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy and you don't know. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, forget I made this way, but why didn't I stay when I had the chance?
Just looked at the footage from the massage and it didn't record properly, like you couldn't see all of me, but I'll insert what I can to just give you guys a brief overview of what took place. But I came back to my room and I saw snacks. I'll have to translate what that says, but basically this is afternoon tea, and then dinner time will be, at dinner time dinner will be delivered to me. So that's it. So the next thing I have to do today is have the lecture about how to give baby a bath. So yeah, the aromatherapy, the massage, I feel great. Giving birth in Japan is great. I could do this again. Not tomorrow, but I could have more babies in Japan. Honestly, everybody needs to come to this hospital to give birth, because this place, I'm in awe. I'm in awe. They are so nice. I inserted some clips of the lecture on how to take a baby bath, and to be honest, I'm overwhelmed. And I wish my mom was here to like help me with this. But I know me and Daddy Flex, we got it, but as you can see, it's intimidating, and he cries. And if you've been here for a while, then you know, you've heard me say baby cries make me anxious. Like I feel as if something is wrong with them, like they're dying when they cry. So it's gonna be a struggle to bathe him by myself. It's been pretty nice to just hand him over to them, the professionals, and they bathe him in the mornings, but we'll figure it out. New parent life. And then while I was coming up, I saw the owner's wife again. Remember, she knocked on my door. She was like, "Oh, you're very genki, you're very strong." And I'm like, yeah, I feel great. Like, guys, to be honest, postpartum for me so far, it has been great. I feel good in my body. And that tailbone pain that I said I was feeling in my rear end, after that massage, it's gone. I don't feel it anymore, and I feel much stronger to walk. And I really thought that I would have been paralyzed. Like, I thought I would be, can't walk, can't sit, can't do anything, can't cook a meal. I was freaking out, telling Adam about how am I going to eat when he's gone to work and I can't move and all of that stuff. But it's been great. I feel great. And my postpartum bleeding it's almost nothing at 2 days postpartum at this point. It's almost nothing. And I'm not saying that to brag on anybody's postpartum journey. Obviously, this is my first time, and you guys watch my videos and I have been so prepared for everything, the worst case scenario, and for it to be going so well, I'm just in awe of my body and what it's doing and what it will do, you know what I mean? And that is why when I hear people talk about postpartum bodies, it upsets me because it's amazing. Anyway, I saw the owner's wife and she was like, "You're so genki and you look fine," and I'm like, "Yes." And I was like telling her, the staff here, the whole hospital, sugoi, like it's the best ever. And she was like, "Thank you, thank you." And she was encouraging me to drink herb tea, and she sent me down to the restaurant and said, "Ask them to give you some herb tea. It's good for healing of the moms, you know, your womb and your uterus. Everything is all over the place inside your body. It just brought a baby to the world." So the tea, the herb tea, is good for healing and also for like helping with milk supply. So she sent me down and to get a pet bottle. This is what they call a pet bottle, in a PET bottle in Japan. So she sent me down to get a bottle for myself, and the head chef down there gave me this instead because I told her I wanted hot tea, and obviously hot tea can't fit in this, it will melt. So she gave me a thermos. Like, how kind is that? I know I've talked shit about Japan, but obviously I've never experienced this side of Japan, but man, I could have more babies here. That's all I'm going to say. I could do this again right here in Japan. Who knows what will happen? I love it here. I love it here at this hospital. I'm loving postpartum life. I'm loving mom life. It's a new season of life, and chef kiss. Also, I'm running off adrenaline because I don't know how somebody that did not sleep last night have so much energy in them. But Aiden is doing his hearing test and a few more checkups, and then the nurse is going to bring him back, and then I'm going to feed him, get him down for another nap, eat my dinner, call it a night. Baby wants to be held. I need to eat before this already cold food gets colder, so we're one-handing it.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're...
Hello from my bonnet and me. It's the next day, day 3 at the hospital. So today is what? Tuesday, November 16th. I go home tomorrow morning. I get discharged between 9 and 10, and I wanted to record like everything that I got in the hospital package to show you guys kind of what they offered at my hospital here in Japan for labor and delivery. So first of all, we get a very huge bag. It's behind there actually. I'll show you the big bag that everything came in after I finish with everything that came in it. and my voice is still raspy. I explained that already. But basically we get this toiletry bag with the hospital logo is right here. I do not want to like put their names out on the internet like this. I don't know if that's okay or not, and I don't want to get in trouble. So yeah, toiletry bag, and in there you get toiletries. So big pack of tissue paper and toothbrush and toothpaste for your stay. You get hair clip. I haven't used majority of this stuff because I don't need to. But another thing we get is this hair clip, claw clip, and we get shower cap to cover your hair when you shower, and you get a packet of like cotton swab and a hair tie. In Jamaica we refer to hair ties as crunchy. You get a couple of those. And then in this case right here we got a small bar soap, so like a little soap, I guess to wash your face at night or whatever. And this case here is basically the soap dish. So that's what came in the package in terms of toiletry, bathroom wear, stuff like that. I still haven't showed you guys in the shower room, like the shower area, which I'm going to do because nobody's using it now, but I just wanted to run through this real quick. I also got a cup where you can put your toothbrush and your toothpaste in, because there's no toothpaste stand anywhere in the room or in the shower room. And then in terms of labor and delivery, they did provide pads, like all the pads you'll ever need. All of the pads that you guys see me pack or saw me pack in my hospital bag video, I didn't need them because they provided all. They provided the big pads that I showed you guys in the video. They provided one pack of those. So after the first 24 hours you don't need the extra big long pads. That is really for the first 24 hours. But after that you need like a medium sized one, which is the ones I'm currently wearing now, and I got 2 packs of that. And then these are the small ones that I guess when things are little to nothing, which I probably could get away with wearing one of these because my bleeding day 3 is little to nothing. I don't understand how or why, but that is just my case right now. So I could get away with using this, but I still want to finish out, or at least continue to use the medium sized ones, at least until I get home and I'm in the comfort of my own house, and if any accidents happen I can just deal with it there, instead of messing up all of their hospital gowns, because I have to return these. So they gave us, so yeah, like I said, 1 pack of the long maternity pads, 2 packs of the medium sized maternity pads, and then 1 pack of the small pads, which is all the pads you really need for your stay, at least for your stay in the hospital. So they provided that, and they also provided 4 sets of hospital gowns. So this is what we wear on grounds, and by grounds I mean on the ward, because we're only on the ward and down to the restaurant to eat. We're not like all over the place. This is the maternity ward, you know what I mean? Yeah. And then what else did they give? Oh, and they also gave breast pads. And you guys saw me pack a lot of breast pads in my hospital bag. In that video I was like, in case any leakage, I'll have these. The hospital gave me the hospital gave me them. So I got what, 4 packs of 2 breast pads. Yeah, and my son is right behind me there. He's supposed to be sleeping. Yeah, so if you hear weird sounds, like weird noises, that's just him in his sleep. And yeah, so they gave me breast pads, so I didn't need to bring breast pads. They also gave us a face towel, and they also gave us like a bathing rag. It's too small for me, so I brought my own rag. Hi. Hi. Oh yes, yes, hi. Ciao.
I've been waiting all my life for some.
And as if everything was not enough, she just came to collect a piece of paper about a gift that the hospital is sending me home with. Like, they have these souvenir pieces of clothing. They have it out in the hallway. You go and you look through a couple of pieces of clothing, and they give it to you as a gift to go home. So she just came to collect the paper of the gift I chose. So they're going to prepare that for me for my discharge tomorrow. Another thing they gave was the umbilical cord disinfection package. So basically cotton swabs and the alcohol that I'm supposed to use to clean the umbilical cord every day. They gave me 2 of them. Hi.
This is baby pillow.
Oh, okay. Yes, thank you.
They are sample.
Oh,
Sample and laundry.
okay. Hi. Arigatou gozaimasu. Hi. Arigatou gozaimasu. Hi. This is the bag that everything came in. So the only thing that I haven't showed you is the bunch of maternity gowns that came in the bag. 4 pieces of dress and pants in case you need pants, and that does it for what the hospital gave me. So basically I didn't need to bring majority of my stuff because I brought clothes to wear because I didn't know we were going to be having these. I'm not used to this kind of life, so you know, I came prepared, and it's good that I came prepared rather than not prepared or underprepared. So if I do give birth again in Japan, I will hope that it will be at this hospital. Hopefully we'll live in this vicinity still, and I'll know what to bring and what not to bring going forward. Let me finish packing my stuff. The gift I chose, basically a sleeping bag, but it's thick, so it's perfect for winter. I didn't have one of these, and that is why I chose this one instead of everything else that they have. It's very kawaii, very cute. I chose this one because I actually don't have a winter sleeping bag, so this came in very handy for me. I also got a baby pillow. I have a baby pillow, but at least I have extra, you know what I mean? And then the other things in this bag are really just some pamphlets and stuff like that. Pamphlets with information about like baby formula, clothing, diapers, stuff like that. So I'm not going to go through all of that with you in the video because they're all in Japanese, and I'm going to have to literally sit down with my translator over these papers to figure out what's going on. So I won't bring you guys through all of that. And then lastly, in this next gift bag are some sample of baby products. So hi. Hi. I'm packing. Yeah.
something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like
Okay, friends, so like I said, it's my last night here at the hospital, and to honor moms, they are having a special dinner for everyone that has given birth. I think not only on the day I gave birth, but I think like during this week, like persons who are going home during this week. And so that is where I'm headed now. You see, I put the wig on. Aiden is in the nursery area with the nurses, and I'm going to go have my special dinner in Japan. Let me show you guys what I look like in the mirror. Just a hospital gown, right? Just hospital gown. But I did put the wig on because everyone has only seen me in my big satin bonnet, so I decided to plop out the wig for the special dinner. And yeah, I am mostly packed up in my room. I just need to like put together all of this tomorrow. Baby boy has his going home outfit right here, and that is my going home outfit there, and everything is partially ready. And if you guys were wondering what 3 days postpartum looks like, this is it. This is my 3-day postpartum belly. I am still wearing my girdle, so it takes down, it helps to suck everything in and not make it look so you know, out there. Sorry you guys for the shakiness, but you get the gist. I'm doing this with like one hand and no tripod. So with the girdle, this is what the belly looks like. So we still got a while to go in terms of getting the belly done, but this is a start. And to be honest, I am proud of this for 3 days postpartum. I could not have asked for a better body. And like I've been saying, 3 days postpartum as well, my bleeding is basically non-existent, just a little bit. As for like, you know, clots and all of that stuff, I'm not sure what's going on. I haven't been passing any, but once I go home, I'm going to be doing the sitz bath and see what comes out of that. So that's the update. Heading to the special dinner. I'm going to be filming a little bit, but not on my camera, on my phone, just to show you guys what happened. So be right back.
come closer so that we can be together. Everything that has been don't matter no more. We've burned it. All those whirlwinds can't touch us no more. We've earned it. We've earned Your eyelids and perfect lips got me rushing, panting. I'm so lit, like lilies you open. The fragrance goes to my head, my darling. I get everything that has been don't matter no more. We've burned it. All those whirlwinds can't touch us no more. We've earned it. We've earned it. We've been mostly off.
Good morning, guys. It is Wednesday, November 17th, and it is my last couple of hours, actually not even a full day, at the hospital today. I don't know why I am emotional, but yeah. Like seriously, ever since I gave birth, I have become an emotional, not even a wreck, an emotional disaster, an emotional tsunami. I am filled with just, my husband would say, I'm bubbling inside. But yeah, today is discharge day. I'll be discharged in a few hours. It is almost 7 o'clock. It's minutes to 7, and the nurses have Aiden at the moment. He is getting his final like checkups, and they're giving him a bath and all of that stuff. So they have him right now, and I'm just in here. And a while ago I was brushing my teeth, and I was thinking about how I haven't slept much in the past couple of days. Not because Aiden is up and, you know, doing all kind of things. As a matter of fact, he's a very good baby so far. Like once his belly is full, he will sleep for at least a 3-hour stretch. So the lack of sleep just comes from, because I know I have to wake him up every 2 to 3 hours to feed. It's like once I get him down, I start having anxiety about having to get back up in the next 2 hours or something. I'm a very anxious person, so time bothers me. So I haven't been getting much sleep because of that, but Aiden does sleep. And I was just thinking about how, yeah, I haven't got much sleep, and a lot of people would, you know, they always warn you about the newborn phase and you better sleep now when you're pregnant because you'll never sleep again. And I was thinking about it, and guys, these are real moments, and I don't know if I'm going to cut this out of the video or what, but these are just real moments. I never knew I could feel love like this, man. I went to feed Aiden, but he isn't hungry because it's just like 7 o'clock, and I fed him like a little after 6. So he's not hungry, he's just crying because maybe he misses mama. So yeah, like I was saying, these are the days I'm going to refer to as the good old days, you know what I mean? So even just talking about it, I want to cry, so I'm just going to skip ahead. But this is real life, you guys, and to be honest, I have never felt like this before. And the love that I'm feeling in my heart, it's unexplainable. I keep saying it all over my social media, and people might cringe and roll their eyes, but it's real. Like, becoming a mom, it unlocks a whole nother level of emotions that you never even knew you had. But yeah, so we get to go home today and see Daddy Flex. Adam has not been with Aiden since he was born 4 days ago, so it's going to be pretty exciting. Lots of bonding time between the two of them. I'm excited to go home and just see, my God, Aiden become a part of our family in our house with all of his stuff that we have been buying over the past couple months. Officially a family of 3. these days will be the good old days. So I'm not going to stress about not being able to sleep much, because I'm going to miss these days one day. As a matter of fact, I'm already missing these days. God knew I needed to become a mom now. I don't know, something in my life needed to change. And this was God's way of changing it. Me becoming a mom. For how everything has worked out. Pregnancy, childbirth, labor and delivery. Well, that is childbirth. Couldn't have been more perfect. God knew it was time. He knew I needed a change of some sort. So he gave me a family. Not that me and Adam weren't a family before. Of course we were a family, but we needed a son to bond over even more. So thank you, Jesus, for your blessings on my little family. Well, yeah guys, what a hospital stay this was. This experience has been I don't know, it has been the realest, best, oh my God, I don't know, it's been a wonderful experience. The hospital, the facility is nice, the staff is good, everything went well. Like, it is so much to be thankful for. You guys wouldn't even understand the testimony behind all of these things that I'm saying. But just believe me when I tell you, it's all worked out for good. All of it. So, last couple of hours here, I have managed to clean up everything. And I only need to put on my going home outfit. And this is where I'm going to close out this video. And the next time you see me, I'll be home with my husband and my son. And I'll show you guys what bringing baby home for the first time and just bonding as a family looked like for us. So subscribe if you haven't yet. I hope that you want to stick around. Of course, give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and turn the notification bell on so you do not miss upcoming videos. Until next time, first couple of days with a newborn video is done. Gosh.